Humble submission, my lord. My lord, I have filed this criminal petition 13613 of 2020.
For what purpose?
My lord, mainly I require interim maintenance, my lord.
Interim maintenance.
Interim maintenance application. Last time there was direction given by this honorable court, which was rejected by the lower court.
Madam, that should be challenged in GMFC, madam, not here.
Um,
Last time also I told you, you should go before the correct court. I have no jurisdiction to say so. It is not, see, officers raised objection with their maintainability. It won't come before me. You can't choose the court. It has to go before the court which has jurisdiction. I will post it tomorrow itself. You go before that court.
My lord, domestic violence also go.
All maintenance case there only, madam.
Okay.
Which is,
My
this is
lord,
maintenance, right?
No, this is domestic violence case.
Domestic violence case.
Violence case, my lord.
1 minute, madam. Let me see.
So, the rejected orders, certified copies I have filed here, my lord. It is page number 85 to 111, my lord.
Yes, what meant? 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, madam. What maintenance?
The property was in the name of the husband. She insisted that half of it should be transferred to her. It was transferred in her name. Afterwards, when he was about to go, he is a diploma holder. Yeno on kelsa siktu Japan hogta idru. Special power of attorney tagondu. She has sold it for 1 crore 20 lakhs in those days and purchased an apartment in her name. And rest of the amount also she has kept it to herself. He has nothing now.
All right.
And a child
Where is the order? There is any order of the court for maintenance?
My lord,
What did you do with the money that you got sold?
My lord, whatever they are telling is lies, my lord.
Lies.
Because I'll show you the agreement, my lord. Agreement which is executed by the respondent with me, my lord. Page number 559 to 564.
559.
564, my lord. Because typed copy I have filed in page number 564, my lord.
Maintainability in respect of office 13. N maintainability, madam, 134. Last time, which court directed you to, which court directed maintenance to be paid to you?
Kerala court, my lord.
Kerala court.
Kerala magistrate court. But
if Kerala court has directed, how can I direct?
My lord, humble
implementation of that order?
Yes, I have not pressed that memo because we relocated here, my lord. I will also tell the reason why he forced us to relocate here, my lord.
Now, no, madam, which is the case pending before which court where you have sought maintenance?
The domestic violence case pending before MMTC 2, my lord. That is also
where MMTC 2 court, what has it done?
Judicial first class magistrate.
That's all right. Which is that court? What order has been passed by that court?
That page number 85 to 111, my lord.
Against that appeal lies, my lord. Domestic Violence Act appeal lies.
What order, madam? Madam, you have to approach the revisional court by challenging that order which rejects the order of maintenance. You should go to the sessions court and then file an appeal in that, then come to the revisional court here. I have no jurisdiction. That's the whole problem.
Because already directions has been given by this honorable
court. No, madam, what happens is I have myself held that against orders rejecting or granting maintenance, I have no jurisdiction. In the sense, the appeal should be filed under section 29. Only then, that is the office objection with regard to maintainability.
Because last time...
I will permit you to file appeal before the revisional court. After that, you can come here.
My lord, because in this order, the lower court judge is also challenging that there is no domestic violence exist, there is no cruelty. That I wanted to come and show before this honorable court. Because, my lord, the earlier order, which is passed by another court, that is a Kerala court, a family court, that order, the judge himself has stated that the respondent has violated the settlement agreement, my lord. Because when I go with the 2-3 courts matter, the sessions court may not be in a condition to take up that, my lord. Because the court which has a jurisdiction over 2-3 courts will be in a better position, my lord, to hear the matter and to give an order, my lord. Right now, I am only pressing on interim maintenance.
We'll do one thing. This we'll post it on Tuesday.
After vacation, I'm going out of state.
My lord, I am in a very need of interim maintenance, my lord. A small child is also.
I know, madam, but without hearing them, it is difficult.
My lord, kindly hear the matter.
No, only the maintenance. I cannot for the first time grant here. Where is the order of rejection of maintenance?
Yes, my lord.
Which is that,
page
madam?
Number 111, my lord. Page number 109 to 111.
What is the reason for not granting maintenance?
It is mentioned that subject to she has been 111 section
here.
8
Wait.
the last phase of the 8 I will read, my lord.
1 minute.
Petitioner was ill-treated and subject.
1 minute, 1 minute. ಏನು order ಇದು? It gives no reason. Madam, gives no
Actually,
reason at all.
Rajneesh versus Neha, they have to file the assets and liabilities.
Let them file.
She is not
It
giving
is
the
already
bank
filed.
statement.
It is already filed, my
The
lord.
full
It is here.
bank statement
Now,
has to be filed by
If
her.
this is the order, this cannot sustain even for a minute.
She
There
has
is no reason at all.
125
My lord,
also
and
she has
I have
filed.
also
That's why.
his asset and liability affidavit, my asset and liability affidavit
Now,
is
madam,
filed here,
1
my lord.
minute. I will direct the court, I will set aside this order, direct the court to reconsider your application for maintenance within 2 weeks. That is all the order can be passed here. Otherwise, no other
After
order can be
vacation,
passed.
my lord.
My
I won't
lord,
be in station after vacation, any day after vacation.
Other any day after vacation. Illalla, I am setting aside this order and sending it back. There is no reason in this.
my lord,
But I cannot directly grant here unless all the nuances of such grant are filed before the court. All right.
my lord, and another grievance, this honorable court has directed the court, all the IAs to be disposed within 5 weeks, my lord. Now 2 months are over, my lord. My so
also-
IAs are pending, my lord.
that also-
My petition is pending.
I will direct that also to be done. All right.
My lord, and one more, I have filed a memo in this, this petition, my lord, to connect and club all the matters existing between the parties, page number 49, my lord.
Hmm.
In that, one is.
Madam, I can't direct connection of domestic violence case with 125 or MC. Those courts have to consider those cases.
I
No,
submit only
my
one
lord,
thing.
all these cases.
4 cases have been clubbed because she had moved before Justice Sanjay Gowda for transfer.
All
And that honorable court passed an order to club all the 4 cases. But domestic violence case was not transferred. Then they said, if you want, you get it transferred. She
Well,
has not
My
filed.
lord, it's a different issue she is talking. I am talking about the cases which is pending about Court Hall 18 in High Court, my lord. There are around 6 cases. In that, 3 are disposed, 3 are still pending, my lord. Those cases, humble submission to connect and club, my lord.
Oh, that can be done.
We'll send it back. Yes.
My lord, memo, I have written all the case numbers. Kindly connect and club all the matters, my lord. Today only,
Today only you want?
No. Today I have serial number 70 and 71. Those IAs I have filed in the disposed matters, which the case she has filed in that also disposed one. I wanted to club, my lord.
I
And
withdrew
for
the
one
case.
more humble submission, my lord, before this honorable court, that she, page number 64 to 74, my lord. She has filed one petition, my lord, that is criminal petition of 4780, which is disposed by this honorable court, my lord. In that, she concealed one case filed by them, my
If
lord.
you give me 5 minutes, I will pass the order. All right? Yes. Anyway, madam is back. Wapas kar sakte hain. The petitioner in person is knocking at the doors of this court, seeking quashment of several orders passed. In effect, the order dated 31/10/2024 is what is under challenge. The petitioner is the wife of the first respondent. One respondent,
No,
You.
4.
You have given 3 residences,
Yes.
all right, of the respondent. She is seeking maintenance at the hands of the husband. An application is filed in criminal miscellaneous 99 of 2024, where the petitioner had invoked the provisions of section 125 of the CRPC, seeking domestic violence.
Domestic violence.
Where the petitioner had invoked the provisions of section 12 of the Domestic Violence Act and had filed certain applications seeking interim maintenance under section 20 of the said act. The concerned court on 30/10/2024 passes the following order, page 109 to 111. The petitioner is at the doors of this court challenging the said order on the score that the concerned court has not directed maintenance to be paid to the petitioner and her child, which is born from the wedlock of the first petitioner and the respondent. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent would, however, dispute the position that the petitioner is wanting any maintenance, and also contends that the petitioner has not filed the statement of assets and liabilities as is required by the apex court in the case of Rajneesh versus Neha. The petitioner would dispute the position to contend that all the affidavits are filed before the court. Therefore, there is a dispute with regard to the filing of the assets and liabilities statement by both the petitioner and her husband. Be that as it is, a perusal at the order dated 30/10/2024 does not indicate it takes into consideration all the submissions made by the petitioner in the application seeking maintenance, nor considers the objections of the husband. Hakidra ಅಲ್ಲಿ nor considers the objections filed by the husband to the application seeking interim maintenance. But the order is passed, which on the face of it bears no application of mind. Therefore, the order is unsustainable and the application of the petitioner requires reconsideration at the hands of the concerned court in Criminal Miscellaneous 99 of 2024. I am not remitting the matter, I am not directing the petitioner to approach the appellate court in under section 29 of the Act for the sole reason that the present order bears no application of mind. Before the concerned court, I direct that the petitioner and the respondent, husband, shall file their respective assets and liabilities statement up to date, even if it has been filed up to a certain date earlier. The concerned court shall take note of the assets and liabilities statement and determine the maintenance that is to be granted to the wife and the child, the present petitioner, petitioner number 1 and the second petitioner. In the light of what is being sought is award of maintenance, the concerned court shall endeavor to conclude the proceedings now remitted to it within an outer limit of 8 weeks, if not earlier. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that there is an order passed by the coordinate bench of this court to club all the petitions.
Only 4 matters.
Club 4 petitions.
Total 6, my lord.
Total 6.
Yes.
Don't ask Kerala's clubbing.
No, here only I'm telling. 3 are disposed already. 3 are
Okay,
pending.
disposed matters be clubbed.
My lord, I have filed IA because
what?
She's asking for clubbing all the matters before your lordship. I do not
No. That can't be done. The coordinate bench, the learned counsel for the respondent submits that the order to club all the cases between the husband and the wife is already passed by this court, which are 4 in number. Therefore,
family court, at third additional family court.
Which are 4 in number pending before the third additional
family court.
Family court. Where this is there, I can't do that. Yes, so and so. In that light, since there is already an order to club all the cases and hear them together, I deem it appropriate to direct the concerned court.
My lord, one more humble submission. Another 5 IAS also the lower court has passed orders, which is also is a grievance for me. One, I have asked for an examination of impotency test. Even that is been rejected on the ground. Page number 91, my lord.
Impotency test?
Yes, because she is simply coming and telling in the court, I cannot pray for nullity because child is there. The child is through donor sperm IVF treatment, my lord.
Oh.
And simply they are harassing me, my lord. This is under mental cruelty, my lord. And I have read a lot of law, my lord. There is no provisions actually for this donor sperm IVF treatment and the pain a woman has been undergoing. I am humbly submission before the honorable court to pass at least a law.
I will direct the court to consider all the applications that are filed.
Even which has been rejected, my lord, because
what is rejected?
Yeah, IA for impotency test is also rejected, my lord, and I have filed another IA which is for stay of proceeding. Anyway, they don't have jurisdiction. I think that is fine, my lord. And another one I have asked for residential schooling of the minor children, because now I am the sole caretaker of the child and I have IVF treatment complications. I have a lump in the breast and all that. I need to undergo surgery. So where I will keep the child? If the child should be put into a proper residential schooling, I can go and take medical help, my lord. 2 years my surgeries are pending, my lord, and I require money for the treatment also, my lord. And whatever they are telling is that they have actually alienated a joint property worth 4 crores, and Binami properties are purchased in his brother's name worth 6 crores right now, my lord. And I have also filed one suit in the civil court on after they disposed all my applications, my lord. First, I have not even one rupee I have taken from them, my lord.
ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. Yes.
So all my IAs been disposed, and my lord, the reason for rejecting, I have sought multiple release which is not permissible under Karnataka Civil Rules of Practice is written. It is a criminal suit, my lord.
Criminal suit.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
And I have asked for protection and prohibition. In that also, let me read the order, my lord.
No,
It
no,
is-
no, no, don't worry. I will direct the court to consider whatever you have asked. Hmm? Yes,
If everything is rejected from where I will get the relief, my lord. That is why I am humbly before
in
this
the next
honorable
court, GMFC. Yes,
in domestic
Ah,
violence case also.
after vacation.
My
No, I
lord,
will now direct. If you don't get the relief after vacation, you can come.
in
Not
GSC.
to this court, to another court.
Okay.
Then you will go and tell that court saying that this court in court hall 17 told me to come here.
My lord, I told like that.
That is what
He has already told.
Learned judge was asking, why did you send the petitioner here?
Justice Nagaprasanna,
Ah.
sir, has passed orders without issuing notice. Why these courts are issuing notice to the other side?
But I have never asked. See,
That's what
she's,
what
telling-
she told.
Bad.
she's defaming me, my lord.
No, don't worry.
Defaming, I am.
Don't worry about
I never
Gold
use the
medalist.
word of somebody, my lord.
He's
It
a
is
gold
not my heart.
medalist in
Don't
MSc
worry, madam.
nursing.
Even if you have used, don't worry. Yes.
Nobody can defame her.
And my
She's a
lord,
gold
whenever I
medalist.
come to the high court,
But
somebody is
yeah, you
taking
get it.
videos and putting it
Don't
in
get
the
it.
YouTube, my
Get into
lord.
the shoes of the husband. Leave it.
And no,
Yes.
I don't even talk.
Yes.
My lord, whenever I argue a case, somebody is putting it in the YouTube, giving me some cashy headings
Cashy?
for that. Yes, my
Ah.
lord. And they are defaming me through that also, my lord. When I went to give a police case, they are not even giving me a receipt.
No, don't worry about it. Now I have passed an order. Then it is further directed. The learned counsel for the petitioner at this juncture submits that there are various applications pending before the concerned court which are yet to be considered and necessary orders will be passed. If that be so, the concerned court shall also consider all those applications which are pending as on today before the concerned court in accordance with law, without any further delay, within the time limit that is stipulated for passage of the order that is now remitted to the hands of the concerned court, ordered accordingly.
My lord, other than IA number 1, the maintenance, all the application which
I have told madam, all applications that are pending today will be
no,
considered.
which is rejected also, my lord.
Rejected, you have to challenge that before GMFC.
GMFC.
Okay. ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ GMFC ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. Yes.
My lord, one more thing. They have filed one more case after dismissal of their one case, my lord. That I want to bring the notice of this court, my lord. My lord,
Yes. Hmm. Yes, tell me, madam.
the criminal petition 10951 of 24, they have filed. 3 months back, this honorable court, a similar petition has been disposed to, my lord. Again, they have filed.
So what? They will file.
And they have also concealed the property case which they have filed against me in the city civil court. They want to send both me and the child into the street, my lord.
I have directed the court to pass orders within 8 weeks. If they don't pass the order, GMFC court, you can go. All right.
Okay.
I have disposed this petition now.
And the petition which is filed by them, that is 10951 of 24.
That will come after vacation.
My lord,
There is no stay in that. That will come after vacation.
that is why I want that petition to be connected with this
You
petition.
have disposed this, madam. How can I connect it now?
This has been disposed.
Yes. This is disposed. I have directed the court where you have filed the applications to pass orders within 8 weeks.
My lord, if like last direction also was not completely followed, that is why I came this time.
No. This direction has to be followed.
If it is not followed, what can I do?
Come back.
Here only.
No. The other court. Yes.
GMFC.
Yes, madam.
Much obliged.
Yes. Thank you.